Hi, I'm Tom Elliot with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to mow your lawn with a Frontier Grooming Mower.
We're matching our Frontier GM 1190R Grooming Mower with a John Deere 4066R compact utility tractor. It packs 65.9 horsepower and has a hydrostatic transmission that helps make this whole package really easy to use. And we've packaged it with an H180 hydraulic loader that has a lift capacity of over 2,700 pounds. We've also added a material bucket to the loader, which makes a great package for handling all kinds of jobs around your property. Finally, we've added an iMatch quick hitch on the back of our tractor that makes hooking and unhooking lots of implements as easy as it can possibly be.
But first, let's go take a look at our turf area we want to mow and see what we're up against.
We've got a large turf area here on either side of the gravel drive that runs up to the barn from the main road. We want to keep it neat and cut sharp, so the Frontier Grooming Mower is the perfect tool for getting the job done right and done fast. Now it's time to hook up our grooming mower using the iMatch quick hitch so we can get out there and get to work. When using the iMatch quick hitch, Caitlin will just focus on the top hook on the iMatch and everything else will fall into place. Next, she'll shut down the tractor and lock down the locking levers. Then she'll connect the PTO by attaching the input shaft from the mower to the output shaft on the tractor. This transmits power from the tractor to the implement. She'll attach the PTO safety chain and she's ready to go. Next, she'll adjust the cutting height by simply adding or removing spacers on the caster wheel shafts. Since she's going to aerate, fertilize, and overseed after she's done, we'll cut this grass quite low. So she'll set the cutting height for 2 inches. And finally, she'll adjust the pitch of the grooming mower using the top link adjustment on the 3-point hitch. We'll want the front of the mower to be slightly lower than the rear to make sure grass cuttings don't bunch up under the mower deck. Unlike a rotary cutter, a grooming mower is the implement you want if you're maintaining turf grass you'd like your friends and neighbors to admire. This GM 1190 has a working width of 90 inches. For those in the metric world, that's 228.6 centimeters. And is one of 15 grooming mowers in the Frontier lineup. Once Caitlin is done cutting this fescue short, she'll come back tomorrow and aerate, fertilize, and overseed the same area, giving the grass a good start for next spring.
Frontier has more than 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer. The place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it is built to be, thank Frontier and your John Deere dealer.